Alright, got the Rebel V2 out again, this time on a 5-cell battery. And you can see the pilot there already got sick in the last flight. He's leaned over the controls, throwing up. Alright, here we go. One tick of flaps. Let's get out here to the end again. This is a Big5 GPS Logger on there. I just flew it with a 4S battery, and I'll let it cool down about 15-20 minutes, and now we're going up with the 5-cell battery. 4-cell logged in at 72 miles per hour, all level flight. So let's see what we can do here. Gears are up, flaps are up. And again, it's going to be relatively level flights. I just want to give it an even playing field. So we only go full throttle when we're in level flight. Full throttle, backing out. Another one coming back this way. Alright, we'll come around for a landing now. Do a gear pass check first. Yep, they're down. Everybody gets lucky once in a while. There was our timer. Alright, let's see what the speed was with the 5S in there. "91 miles per hour with a 5S. So not bad at all. Not too bad. Now we'll be doing a speed run with the Yak 130, the F18, and the F16 eventually. We can get some comparisons going. Alright, Rebel V2 on 5S, 91 miles per hour. Thanks for watching.